In today's video, I am going to teach you how to allow camera and microphone permissions in Google Chrome. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you are using the Chrome browser itself, because the settings you need are located inside the browser menu. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You will see the three dots menu. Click that menu to open the browser options, then select Settings. After the Settings page opens, move to the left-hand menu and click Privacy and Security. This section contains the controls for how Chrome handles website access, permissions, and browsing safety. If you have never changed these settings before, this is where Chrome keeps most of the important permission options for websites. Next, click Site Settings. This area lets you control what websites are allowed to access, including things like your location, notifications, camera, and microphone. Once you are in Site Settings, scroll down until you reach the Permissions section. In that section, click Camera. When the camera settings page opens, look for the option that says Sites can ask to use your camera. Select that option. This allows websites to request access to your camera instead of being blocked automatically. That is useful for video calls, online meetings, recording tools, and websites that need camera access to work properly. If you also want to allow microphone access in Chrome, stay in the same permissions area and return to the list of site settings. Then open Microphone and make sure the matching option is enabled so sites can ask to use your microphone as well. This helps Chrome prompt you for permission whenever a website needs audio input. A helpful tip is to check that the correct camera and microphone are selected. If you use external devices, Chrome usually shows a device drop-down in these settings, and choosing the right one can prevent issues during calls or recordings. Also, after changing permissions, refresh the website you are using so the new setting can take effect. If a website was blocked before, you may also need to click the lock icon next to the website address and review that site's permissions directly. That can help if Chrome is set correctly but the website still cannot access your camera or microphone. Once these settings are enabled, Chrome will ask for permission whenever a site needs access, and you can choose to allow it when needed. That covers everything you need to know.